Hello and welcome back to another video presented to you by GI Trips. Today, we'll be talking about the Alleppey green cardamom. In this video, we will dive a little deeper into the product, its history and the geographical indication. Alleppey green cardamom is a green variety of kiln-dried cardamom capsule majorly grown in the Cardamom Hills of Idukki district of Kerala. Alleppey cardamom was the main depot through which this cardamom was processed in the then Travancore. Alleppey green cardamom is one of the oldest and most popular varieties of cardamom, mainly sought for its unique taste and intense aroma. Grown along the hills of Idukki in rain-fed forest of the Western Ghats, super bold Alleppey green cardamom dominates the cardamom variety and occupies a major place in international market. Alleppey green cardamom is a stamp of quality attributable to the knowledge and skill within the locals of Alleppey. It was the skill, efficiency and competence of the labor in Alleppey that led to the identification of a superior brand of cardamom. The understanding between the kings with British Raj, the Travancore Dutch Wars and consolidation of power under Martanda Varma with British aid were the reasons for the monopoly in the market. Today, the development of better processing facilities, abundance of raw material, skilled cheap labor and allied infrastructure etc. in Idukki has resulted in a complete shifting of the processing industry out of Alappuzha. Alleppey green cardamom is the dried capsule of Eleutheria cardamom, kiln-dried, having reasonably uniform shade of green color and three-cornered with ribbed appearance. Cardamom is a shade-loving crop. It is grown extensively in the hilly regions in Kerala at elevations of 800 to 1300 meter above main sea level as an undercrop in forest lands. A warm and humid climate, loamy soils rich in organic matter with adequate moisture and well-distributed rainfall are certain basic earthly standards prerequisite for good cultivation of cardamom. That brings us to the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video.